we have to find the sum of the first 10 terms of the series. We have 1 plus 5 plus 9 plus 13 and so on. And we have given also that 1, 5, 9, 13 and so on are terms of arithmetic progression. Let me write this. 1, 5, 9, 13 and so on are terms of arithmetic progression. So, to find the sum of 10 terms of arithmetic progressions, the first 10 terms, we will use formula for the sum of n terms. This is what? A1 plus an over 2 times n. We know that we have to find the sum of 10 terms, so n is equal 10. A1 in our example is equal 1, and we have, and what else we need? We need to find A10. We don't have A10, but because this is arithmetic progression, so we know that the formula for n term is A1 plus n minus 1 times d. d is common difference. To find this 10 term of our arithmetic progression, we will use this formula. In this formula, we know the first term, we know the n is 10. We don't have the d, the common difference. How we find the common difference? In arithmetic progression, we have to choose two consecutive terms and subtract the first one from the second. So this will be our first term, second, third, fourth, and so on. So you have to choose two consecutive terms. So let's choose, for example, A2 and N3. So D is equal A3 minus A2. So this is 9 minus 5. So this is 4. We have D, we have A1, we have N10. So we can find the 10 term of our arithmetic progression. This is A1. A1 is 1 plus n is 10 minus 1 we copy times d we found is 4. So A10 is equal 1 plus, first we have to do operation in parentheses, 10 minus 1 is 9 times 4 we copy. So this is 1 plus, next we have to do multiplication, so 9 times 4 is 36, so this is equal 37. We have the 10th term of our arithmetic progression. We have first, so we can now use this formula to find the sum of 10 terms of our series. So we can write that S10 is equal, let me copy formula, A1 plus A10 over 2 times n. So this is equal, A1 is 1, A10 we found is 37, have over 2 times n is 10. So this is equal, 1 plus 37 is 38 over 2 times 10. So this is equal, we can reduce 2 with 38, it will be 19. 19 times 10 is 190. So we found the sum of first 10 terms of our arithmetic progression. This is my solution.